Hello folks and welcome to this video about increasing your customer loyalty through chatbots. Yes, you know I love my messenger marketing, and we've got a really unique way to be able to increase what is an ongoing trend for for businesses at the moment with their customers, which is to increase their lifetime value or increase their customer loyalty. We know that it's much cheaper to get a returning customer than it is to acquire a brand new one. And this is an amazing method and such a really simple method to be able to increase that. So through this messenger bot, it's basically a loyalty program that you may see in your cafes, restaurants, but realistically it could be put across pretty much any business that encourages return visits and people to increase their customer loyalty to continue to return to their business or their service. I've set it up with similar to what I'm sure a lot of people have with their local cafes is they all have the buy 10 coffees or buy 5 or 10 or whatever it is cards in their wallets, but when it comes to actually buying one I completely forget to bring it out and get my card punched. So this is a loyalty card that people will actually use, and it's really simple for the user and it's really simple for the business with less paperwork to save on printing, to save on that extra time. This is a simple way to be able to redeem it all within Facebook Messenger, and it's fully automated and all controlled for you. I want to show you what it looks like in ManyChat, so let's just jump over there. Okay, so this is the flow that people would first see, or the message people would first see, and I'm going to preview it in a second to show you what it looks like. But basically, you can send people here however you like. One of the easiest ways is to have a sign at the register where people can scan a code. So it's actually a messenger code. So every profile and every business out there has a messenger code, and when people open their messenger app, it's really easy to be able to scan. They don't need to download any other apps such as QR code readers and stuff like that. So there's no barrier to entry like that. They basically take it out, scan this code, and then it would trigger this message here that I'll show you exactly what that looks like in Messenger. So is it just here? Hi Daniel, welcome. Happy to invite you to participate in our 10+1. Now again, I can change any of this language and any of these numbers as well, so it might not be 10, it might be 5, it might be 20, depending on your business. You can change the language from coffees to meals to however it actually suits your business, your service and your industry. You can be able to do that. So once I would like to be a part of it, yes, of course, tell me more. How can I get my free coffee, Daniel? Okay, so basically the process is when someone walks in and orders, we're going to use coffee for the rest of this video just as an example, but basically when someone comes in and orders a coffee, the cash register or the waiter or waitress will pull out, because a lot of people use iPads and iPhones at the cash register. They just basically need an iPad or an iPhone with a QR code reader on it. So it's the only QR codes. I hate them, but it's the only QR code required for this. Basically, they just need that on one of their devices that's then attached to the Facebook pages or the ManyChat page admin's Facebook profile. Doesn't need anything else in there. It can be a really basic phone. Just needs QR code reader and Facebook Messenger on it. Basically, the person will come in and they will go, here is my QR code, so they'll tap the button, and you can always keep this in the menu of the main menu of your Messenger as well, so it's easily accessible for people. But basically once people hit it, it then pops up with their QR code that will show for me here. We'll show it, there we go. And the server then scans it. Basically once they scan it, it then adds 1 point. And again, you can change the vernacular to however you would like. Each time someone comes in, they can always check their balance, and it will let them know once they get to that tipping point of a free whatever it is. So we haven't bought any coffee yet. That's okay. I'm going to go and buy myself one right now. So let's jump in and add a bonus point to my account. Okay, so sometimes when someone comes in and maybe buys a bunch of coffees, Maybe they've gone in and bought them for their whole workplace or something like that, or maybe there's a really loyal customer. You do have the ability to add bonus points. So this might be easy rather than actually scanning the QR code 4 or 5 times, however many coffees they've bought. But basically, when someone goes through, and this is what people will see also when they check their loyalty numbers as well. So let's preview that and have a look in the Messenger inbox. So I've just given myself another free coffee, and I'm at 3. So each of these images come up as people come through as well. Really simple, really easy way to be able to increase returning customers and give them an incentive. And again, the ease of access and the ability to do that, they literally pull out their phone, they go to your main menu, they get their loyalty card, they show it up for you, and then all the register has to do is just open up the app on their phone. Also, if they've got Google Chrome installed on their phone, Google Chrome has a QR code, so you don't even need to install another app. They basically just scan it though, goes through to their checks that the admin is actually signed in, then awards that person another point, and once it gets to whatever trigger point you want it to, it will automatically trigger to say, hey, congratulations, you've won a free coffee, come in and redeem it, and they simply show it to you. Really simple, really easy. All you can do once they actually redeem the free coffee is you just need to tap the point, and then basically that resets their balance as well. So such a simple way to for service-based businesses to increase foot traffic, and this is a real combination of the online offline world. It's super simple to be able to set up. If you would like to learn more on how to set up, please get in touch with me. I'm also hosting a webinar on the 14th and 15th of November. Make sure you jump onto my website at organicdigital.com.au/webinar, and you can find out more about the details and how implementations such as this are really simple to be able to do, and how you can introduce this to your business as a new marketing strategy. Thanks so much. Bye bye.